Best Smart Home Amazon Prime Day Deals 2026. Save on security, locks, lighting, and more. Security products lead the savings this year. The MyQ Video Doorbell drops to $29.99, offering HD video, motion alerts, and two-way audio. The Arlo Video Doorbell 2K is available for $40, while the ADT Blue Doorbell Camera Kit falls to $179, combining DIY installation with ADT-backed monitoring features. The MyQ Smart Garage Video Keypad is discounted to $37.98, adding video monitoring and PIN-based access control. The MyQ Smart Garage Camera Gen 2 costs $29.99. Arlo also offers significant savings on indoor and outdoor camera bundles, making whole home security more affordable. Level Home's smart locks remain a standout for their discreet design. The Level Lock Pro is available for $295, while the Level Bolt costs $149. Shoppers seeking advanced access options can consider the SwitchBot Lock Vision Pro with facial recognition or the MyQ Secure View 3-in-1 Smart Lock. Lutron Caseta Smart Lighting Kits are discounted by 20%. Popular starter kits include smart dimmers, switches, and multi-room lighting packages that integrate with major smart home ecosystems. SwitchBot offers savings on its Curtain 3 and Blind Tilt products, allowing homeowners to automate curtains and blinds without replacing existing window treatments. Ecovacs and Yeti Headline Robot Vacuum Discounts. The Dbot X12 Omnicyclone is reduced by $600 to $899.99, while the Yeti M14 Plus drops to $399.99, delivering premium vacuuming and mopping features at a lower price.
Go to GearBrain for more information.